Hello children, in this video I'll continue chapter 1. Already we have discussed the few points of basic practices of crop production like preparation of soil, sowing, adding manure and fertilizer, irrigation. Now the next step is protecting from weeds. Now the farmer has to protect the crop from weeds. So first of all see what the weeds are. The undesirable plants are called weeds. The unwanted plants which grow along with the cultivated crop are called weeds, and the process of removing these weeds from the main crop is called weeding. So it's necessary for the farmer to remove the weeds from the field. So here the question arises, why the weeds should be removed? So answer for this question is because the weeds compete with the crop plant for water, nutrients, space and light, and they also affect the growth of the crop. So they need to be removed from the field. So here are the various methods of weeding. That first is removal of weed by pulling them out with hand. So that can be done manually also. रिमूवल ऑफ वीड्स बाय यूजिंग अ ट्रॉवल और खुरपी भी जिसको हम अपनी लैंग्वेज में कहते हैं, दैट कैन बी रिमूव्ड विद द हेल्प ऑफ खुरपी और ट्रॉवल. नेक्स्ट वन थिंग मोर इज हियर, वीड्स आर ऑल्सो कंट्रोल्ड बाय यूजिंग सर्टन केमिकल्स. दीज केमिकल्स आर नोन एज वीडीसाइड्स. सो फ्यू ऑफ द वीडीसाइड्स आर 2,4-D and DDT. The full form of DDT is dichloro, diphenyl, trichloroethane. So these are the weedicides, and these weedicides are diluted with water and sprayed in the field with the help of a sprayer. So that is, with this method the weeds gets destroyed. Weedicides are sprayed during the vegetative growth of weeds, means before flowering and seed formation. Only then the weedicides are sprayed. So this was the process how the protection from the weed is done by a farmer. Next method is harvesting. Now our crop is ready to harvest. Harvesting is very important task. The cutting and gathering of a matured food crop is called harvesting. It is done either by hand using a sickle or by using a machines called the harvester. Now in a harvested crop, the grain seeds need to be separated from chaff. That process is known as threshing, or you can understand that threshing is a process of beating of a crop against a stone to separate grain from the stalk. That is a main process in which the grain is separated. Now after separating the grain, or one thing more is here, the threshing is done. It is carried out with the help of a machine called combine, which is a harvester as well as thresher. So means combine is a machine which perform both the functions, harvesting as well as threshing. Next one more process is here, winnowing. It is a process of separation of husk from seeds by blowing air. Lighter impurities that are separated from the seeds by the process of winnowing. So these all three processes were under the heading of harvesting. So in this video we had discussed two methods, protection from weeds, and second we had discussed the harvesting. Thank you.